Lenge Gungkamsa, Tiring Pyogaluni Dong Yada Shibju Shagu, Rabne Chuda Le Punda Shiba, Sagatawe, Sebanishungata, Chiluni Dong Nishani Le Dao Chukbe, Tse Nishsa Sum Resapubure, Tiring Sangyu Gojo Kani, Chino Konsekam Gwen Chimbuchola, Tsoha Nga Tumonki, Tenshu Darbu Shuguredu. Ari Gesa Washington DC Ari Choso Ome Choso Jamgu Nancy Pelosi Choki Zebe Gekap da Chode Kagi Neyu Mina Mangda Shi Nyamshu To Geji Choso Tumi Pödön Gyabgyor Chokchen Ten Geba Choshimbare. Tagegu Datin Dan Tule Shepshu Kurju Shuchogi Lerik Jondar Ten Tangbute Guzu Nangdo. Lenge Ne Sangyu Geba Shamlasiruna. Sani Jinda Tube, Teba Nishu Tsepshi Ni Shuga Tekjin Chuling Zula Kantu, Jino Konsekem Gwen Chimbuchola, Yadrota, Ngari, Chogong Gesum, Shije Changri Mima, Geshi Drede Gazo Jie Ne, Tenshu Darbu Shuguredu. Ari Chozo Ome, Chozo Jamgu Nancy Pelosi Chok, Zur Gube, Ari Chozo Tumi Gyabgyota, Pimi Machidul Henzo Ki Koti Go, Ari Gesa Washington DC, Kasa Chize, Nishu Tsani Resal Hakbe Ni Ne Gozugi Ninda Nigiri, Geji Chozo Tumi Pödön Gyabgyo Chokshen Ten Gebate, Gunzu Nang Yobare. Tenya Chokshen Ki Unje Zego Deshi, Capitol Hill, Ari Chozo Ki Chokang, Senate Dixon Building, Shebate Nang Gongso Nangwata, Unje Zego Tola, Bende Pimi Machidul Henzo Ki Chozo Kembusonam Tempe Choki, Pepsu Sungshe Nang Yobare. Kapter Chozo Choki, Zamling Chitan Laba Du Pöna Gyana Mima Chitun Gekab Ki Wangwo Du, Sangju Ki Pungshin, Duzub Narju Cheshin Chedu Du Joshimba, Zara Ki Tukabdir, Tiring Sacho Kansane Chebeb Nawe Lutu Mina Shukin Demba Shada Dingja Chiki Tola Lenzum Ki, Chokchen Gongso Tubateni, Kene Chimbushikinba Sungdu.
Any such story or can become an inspiration for many other nationals in the world who are making an attempt to accomplish their rightful cause.
Bende Sozo Choki, Sondu Pepsu Sungshe, Jubejesu, Pimi Lana Mebe Uti Chino Konsekem Gun Chimbuchoki, Suga Daram Sale, Podane, Nintin Gude, Galup Gadin Zeyobare. Toma Chino Konsekem Gun Chimbuchoki, Pödön Kola Tolen Nanche tu, Sozum Nankin Gunla Gadin Cheshe, Gazeshin, Galupki Ningdun tu, Pögi Neduni Chepsi Kone Nedunshik Mayimbar, Teni Dembe Tabzueta, Pögi Semkam Rigbe Drodanta, Pömir Semba Sangbu Chegu, Tumon Mayimbe, Kumshi Yobache, Pögi Rikshuni Zamlin Kyo Yon La Pendo Gachi Yoba Dishin, Nyamba Surchuta, Minyam Kongpe Yontab Nangobe, Galupdida Pepson.
And Gejishik Sondu in the Shebagola, so Pögi, Chepsi Gange Rela, so Pögi Rishundi. She Nyamba Sochi Minyam Kongbe on Yala, did all the chance to success Shetuna. Ding on the Chepsigatane, Ranzen Chicken is Sigil Mari. Yama Lokasha Kone, Nesev Loving. Also Ranzen to Mess, and Per Gay Rishun, the any Gaydi Sungju Chiadi, Shuj Cashable Dusin, made to shed you. The Chepsigatane. Canada Gandra came into Chasangada, Teriana Chans Sondu di Tala, Purgeta Rishun, Nimburu Sabasanguchiagata Rishun, or the D. Any Yamba Soji Minyam Combe on Yagatola, any chance of Compotos, Shije, and Tinduki Shen design Alaya, Chur the Mandre, Yerugi Chabalaya, the Reji Shuru Keptona. Depend on Yungri something to do.
Zegueto Ari Chozo Ome Chozo Yuri ne Pödön Gyabgyo Nankin, Jamgu Nancy Pelosi Choki, Gasu Sungshe Nangwata, Tena, Ringmi Ari Chozo na, Pöda, Gyana Wargi Zunyo da Jebe, Chochashi Nam Pepcha Yogor Sungbata. Chocha Tishin Zowu Lugu Tone, Pögi Neba Sedun Chaguta, Pöge Ganyo Setup Su, Tumu, Guma Chagu Yimba Redu. Jamgu Pelosi Choki, Ari Shune, Tengu, Tibet Policy Act La Sobe, Timdi Kajik, Dembebgi, Konsekem Gun Chimbuchoki, Gui Yansigi, Nedun To, Gana Shungi, Teju Cheshin Batela, Gunju Tang, Wile Mab, Sebu Sugyogan, Chocha Sab Di, Nedun Te Tola Yang, kerdu nengu nangi yoba sungsong.
From the Tibetan Policy Act of 2002 to reciprocal access to the Tibet Act of 2018 and the Strengthening Tibet Policy and Support Act of 2020. This legislation speaks clearly to the CCP, making clear, among other things, it may not interfere in the Dalai Lama's reincarnation. Indeed, this must be left exclusively to His Holiness and the Tibetan people. With great pride, the Congress is taking new action to do that. Chairman Jim McGovern, who will be part of our hospitality here as a longtime champion of human rights, plans soon to introduce the Promoting a Resolution to the Tibet-China Conflict Act. This new addition, bold bipartisan legislation, would state clearly the history of Tibet and encourage a peaceful resolution to the ultimate status of Tibet. And of course, this is about reincarnation as well.
제고토 게지 표된 레구이 칸기 초조 구십 리처드 기엘라기 DW 총도니 표된 탑주 균형체도 하장기 개첨부 임바당 초슈버츠 라라 소소 제다 냠용기 뉴번염봉토 무투 탑주 균형 괴바 송여버제.
And the skill and the experience that you can bring to this movement and share with each other. You know, the Tibetan movement is always going to need the guidance of this group. You know, and you see it in the Tibetan community, the decades of work they've done on themselves to create a level of sophistication that they can function anywhere in the world. I mean, it's kind of amazing. You know, one generation, two at the most, to be able to function anywhere in the world at a high level and to be accepted.
Young National Endowment for Democracy sheba tsokbate tsokzo kushab Damon Wilson lagi sungshe nangakab zinju pimi jizo gi mangzo perim la ngajo nangshin pyogi tabzo gyune tuba chagyuni pimi zam mayimbar zamlin kyun yonsu mangzo perim la kegang chimbu chagi yoba sungsong.
That a nonviolent movement is powerful. And the Tibetan movement must succeed not just for the Tibetan people, but for the sake of democracy and freedom around the world.
Bende Sigyong Choki Tengdi Tsokchen Tola Kudu Jangshe Nanggu Tuen Sen Ta Tsokchen Gi Migyu Zowni Yobni Gekab Kaki Pödön Gyabgyo Ki Timda Siju Tembe Yongche Tu Treso Pödön Gyabgyo Somin Nambe Nyuba Nyambung Gi Ngarla Tsakzu Dongtab Gi Kudu Jangshe Nanggu Ta Pöge Kanyo Segyu Che Tu Tablam Chige Tola Somin Namba Nyamzom Chagyu Dengjashi Dunche Tu Yimba Song Yobaje.
Mostly in the background notes that has been prepared for you. Instead, we decided to look at how we can keep the action moving in terms of the session that we had already this morning when Jim McGovern spoke on the initiatives taken by the United States government and how other like-minded countries can adopt similar actions in their parliaments. Is also to create, as our speaker mentioned this morning, to create a common platform for all those who are supportive of on resolving the Sino-Tibet conflict to come together.
Kasan Sojen to Ari Treso ne Pödön Gyabgyogi Ledön Chibelta Tengi Tusu Mangzue Lamlu la Gogin Jiye Lutun Gekab Kagi war Tundel Ledön Pecho So Jushi Kagi Tola National Endowment for Democracy Shebe Sobe Sozu Surba Kushab Carl Gershman Ta Ari Treso Tumi Kushab Jim McGovern France Treso Tumi Kushab Andrew Gattolin Australia Treso Tumi Janet Rice Latvia Treso Tumi Uldis Budrikis Canada Treso Tumi Arif Virani France Treso Tumi Surba Consiglio Di Nino Canada Treso Tumi Carpuche Pudila El Salvador ki Treso Tumi John Tennant Wright Sola Sobe Treso Tumi Nambe Sungshe Nayobaje Sojen Tola Ngusu Jar Matub Gen Pödön Gyabgyo wa Treso Tumi Mangda Shiki Sojen Tola Nyentung Gyune Sungshe Nandu Sangni Chize Nusasum Ni Lerim Ki Zochik Ari Treso Ki Gyana Ledön Tsojung Ki Dündu Pödön Nyenship Lerim Tola Pöne Nyamshibatan Lugyu Mawakaji Nyamshunan Gyuredu Sojen Di To Ari Tsöbe Gekab Ka Minja wa Nishzabge Ki Treso Tumiso Da Pömima Chidu Lhenzo Ki Tsozu Chebu Cho Da Benden Sigyon Cho Chidi Kalyon Cho Pömima Chidu Kaji Chidi Chungji Kuzab Tunju Namba Shenya Chinangi Kewanda Miri Damingi Legu Waso Kyon Soja wa Midang Gyal Hazam Wesu Chebeb Nandula Tato Negan Henshu Nankin Mandashidu. Gechi Chozo Tumi Pödön Gyabgyo Sokshin Teng Tangbu Teshin Chilu Chikdong Gubgya Gubju Kopshi Lor Toma Guzu Nawatan Chilu Chikdong Gubgya Gubju Gubdun Lor Sokshin Teng Sumbate Ari Gyasa Washington DC Gonso Nane Talen Larian Sokshin Teng Gebate Washington DC Gonso Nawashik Chagidu. Pimitikzu Nansi Lekungi National Rogyor Sembe Kutigo Leshisaba Indonesia nan Tenshi Chebe Orbit Future Academy yi Kyabgon Hyderabad nan Tenshi Chebe Natio Cultus Consultancy LLP Chebe Tsopata Sungdeki Amazon Web Service Cloud Computing Skills Training She Tage Gyude 13th Tule Shepshu Kotu Chuchogi Lerik Jondashi Gozu Nandu. Jonda Dishin Teng Tangbo Koti Nawashik Imbamase Nansi Lekune Keka Chimbushidu Ngunzi Nagdu.
Tade Chala and Loma Nishitsapke Tanda Lopjon Gonzu Shime Yin and he Kate Shila Sare Chondar Mambo Yorte in a Tariti the Mandava and how about Zambuling Gua Te to Wore Son San and the Tensa Chondar Take Lamnet Nayati the capture shoe, Jin Zambuling kept the year sonsa, and the Lishiti, and so than the Irish rock down, and it's so she than the Indonesia, Tinshi Chebeki, Pege, Orbit Future Academy, Konansuke, Kapgunti, and Hyderabad Yuri, Hyderabad Pege Konansuke, Kapgun, Sobata, and Ansu Yamde, King Tony. Permit Tizuki, Tim the Timbagi, and Uziki, Parke, Katu, Lamni, and Ansulishiti, Gunzu Shibatan, and he led him to Trubechella, and Tanda Lakir Piatan, and Layuyan, Haleva Chimburedo, Son Santa, Tariting on the Chonda Tambuchari years, this Yasashi.
Chonda Tsoyu Bangalore Consatale Lame Tolop Kanta, Chize Nishutsani ne Dunda. Chungni ring nangitula tome dunda ni ring ngosu chongda ta dene dunda chu ring chatone nangyuredu chongda unje zegor kundyen zo Bangalore loji jingme chutimla swebe sanegi lene ta chongda lopti nangken cham Rachna Sharma ngopep tho jecha chobe chele chunjin ta chargu genjin namni ne chalam gyude nyamshugi leshi kene ko la sungshe nangdu Di samne taringi sangyu lerim diga chukdi shugi pödön da tebe sangyu gebaka shamla kobe tazi kajan tezoy toni sigi yobe nabaso tedön gongja naro.